Hey folks, I'm just packing some boxes up, so I thought I would do a little demonstrating how I do that. So I've just got something between everything. I use a combination of cardboard and paper, and I try to fill up all the spots with something. Like here, this would be good for a tumbler, but I kind of want all my tumblers together. So if I had a good vase or something that would just fit perfectly, that would be great. I'm gonna go see if I can find something. Like maybe these lidded jars. Let's see here. Mostly I like to keep the vases with the vases, you know, things like that, so I can find them easily if I need to find one, but sometimes it's just perfect. And I'm just gonna push that in and that'll be fine. And then maybe this one will fit there. So often I'll just leave the lids right on the pots and not make a fuss about it at all. And like teapot lids, I've started just leaving them on. Yeah, so it's nice when things fit tightly. That means they won't move around. And then I make another layer here with cardboard. And pack similar things into this box. And then I will mark the box on the outside, which is actually already marked. Let's make sure these are gonna fit. Yes, that's very nice. And then, so here, I'm kind of conservative with my cardboard, so maybe I'll just fold this in half and put it like that. I think I need a little more there. Another one folded. Sold a casserole dish today, that was exciting. Okay, so like that. And then I will also find some more of those same lidded jars for right here. And then I'll have kind of a box that makes sense. It's nice to have boxes that make sense, and I can write on the side, lidded jars and covered, whatever those things are called. Lidded pot, or casseroles and lidded pots. Okay, so I found a couple of these. I put one in here and I just put a little paper in so it wouldn't move. And the last one, I put right here, nested into some paper. Push it up against there. And just put a little paper in there. And to me, that's a pretty good box. It's probably kind of heavy and about as much as I want to put in there. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So that's that. And then I'm gonna take care of my future self. And I'm gonna say 4 casseroles and lidded jars. And I give myself a little heart because it's a tough job. Also, you notice I pack up 1 level high or sometimes 2 levels high. It's really nice to not bend down so much.